Develop relationships with publicity. What does that mean? That sounds like something a politician would say.
Yeah. Well, this is PR is huge in your business. Like marketing is part of that, but it's like if you have, for example, in the very beginning, we were like 5 months old and we put out the fact that we did cancer cleans.
Yep.
It's publicity. People like talking about good stuff that businesses do in the community. We just told a local magazine, which was Albuquerque, the magazine in our city, and they were all about it. They got, like, we just sent them an email and they were like, oh my gosh, like, we want to write a thing about it. And what you have to realize is magazines and TV and all these PR firms, that they're content generators. They're always looking for fresh content. So if you bring them a story, if you bring them something to talk about, they're going to love you and they're going to publish that. And so the sooner you can start building relationships, like look up your local magazine, your local news station, your local radios, like take those people to lunch, like start building a relationship with them, because when you do have something you can talk about, they're going to help you get it out and they're going to help you put it out in the community.
Yeah. And
that's social proof. That's other people talking about your business, which is so much better than you saying, look at how good I am. It's someone else saying it, and that's really, really powerful.
Yeah.
And then you can put that all over your website. As seen on local news station. Like, people love that stuff. It makes them trust you, right?
There you go.